About this, now you know the old town is actually a UNESCO World Heritage Site. And if you need to find your way, there's a little miniature outline of the town here. It's pretty big. You definitely need like at least a couple hours to thoroughly enjoy it. That being said, I think I need to head back to the airport soon. Let's see what else we can fit in last minute. So I'm going to go into one of the streets. You know, one thing I find is like so colorful here. Like all those buildings, so colorful. And the one thing I really like about this, it make you feel like really you're in an old town. We went back on time. The town originally grew around the castle of Duke of Mazovia and later became the Loyal Castle. The heart of the area is an old town marketplace, rich in restaurants, cafes, and shops. It originated in the late 13th century at the time the city was founded. The houses around it represent the Gothic style until the Great Fire of 1607, after which it was rebuilt in the late Renaissance styles and eventually in late-Baroque style by the Tylman Gamerski in 1701. Immediately after the Warsaw Uprising, the marketplace was systematically blown up by the German army. After the World War II, it was restored to its pre-war appearance. The current building was reconstructed between 1948 to 1953 to look as it did in the 17th century, when it was mostly inhabited by the rich merchant families. The bronze sculpture The Warsaw Mermaid by Constantine Hager has stood as a symbol of Warsaw since 1855. However, this imagery has been used since at least mid-14th centuries. The first known usage was on a seal from 1390. Gradually, the male head and body was replaced that of a female, and by the end of the 16th century, the tail was also changed from the style of a dragon to that of a fish. The old town is also home to St. John's Archcathedral. The church has been listed by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. Originally built in the 14th century in Masovian Gothic style, the cathedral served as a coronation and burial site for numerous Polish dukes. The church was rebuilt several times, most notably in the 19th century. It was preserved until the World War II. We will end our layover on a high note above the old town. The bell tower of St. Anne's Church will get you a spectacular view of the city along with all the beautiful Polish ladies below. Great. The viewing terrace is like only 10, so I'm gonna get the ticket and let's go right up. Got my ticket, yes it is, so exercise. Watch your head. Here. Hey, we're almost there. Yes. Well, there you go. We made it. Now let's enjoy the views before wandering north. The St. Anne's Church is one of Poland's most notable churches with a neoclassical facade. The church ranked among Warsaw's oldest buildings. Over time, it's seen many reconstructions, resulting in its present-day appearance, unchanged since 1788. The bell tower of St. Anne's Church, called Lighthouse of the Third Millennium, was built in 2002. Its top consists of 4 bells from 1723 and 1777. 2 of them were saved by the locals from looting. The neo-Renaissance style of the new bell tower located next to the church was to draw inspiration from the previous wooden and then brick tower. What a view here, honestly. But I'm running out of time. I do have to get going.